Hi my lovelies, it's been a minute. It is your girl Fox and Suitcase here, and for those who are new, welcome to my channel. Well my lovelies, I hope your weekend started well and everything is going superbly. Well my lovelies, in today's adventure I'm welcoming you to my kitchen. Why is that? Because we are going to do a DIY. We are going to make avocado oil. Yes, you heard me, right from the scratch. Now this is something new. I've never tried it. As you know, avocado is really good. It's good for your skin, it's good for your hair. It's quite a healthy oil for dry hair. It's good for the scalp. It's got a lot of minerals. So guys, are you ready for this adventure? We are going to start from the scratch with the avocados, making it and extracting the oil from the avocados. So my lovelies, before we start, do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. And for those who are new, if you've watched my videos and you do like them, consider subscribing. Subscribing is for free. Do not forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I post a new video. So guys, I am really excited. So are we ready? Let's go to the Fox and Suitcase kitchen. What are we waiting for? If you wash your hands, ready, get your aprons ready. Come on my lovelies, let's go.
Okay.
So my lovelies, I've got my avocados. So in order for the oil to extract the oil, your avocados should be ripe. So I've chosen some that are really brown, you know, really ripe. And I'm going to use 4 avocados because depending on the amount of oil that you need, then the more oil you want is the more avocados you're going to use. So now, first thing first, we are going to take the avocado like this. I'm going to cut it up. Open it up. Then I'm going to remove the seed from the avocado. That's the seed over there. Then I'm going to scoop out the avocado like this. Scoop out all the avocados. That's one. I'm gonna take another one. Once that's done, then you can either use a fork or a knife or a fork or a spoon, but I'm going to use my potato masher. Now I'm going to mash the avocados into a smooth paste. So mash in real well. Mash in all the avocados. You can either blend it, you can either use a blender or a potato masher or a fork. Get it in there nice and smooth. So you really need to mash it really well so that you can get it nice and creamy. You see? So mashing real well. see, it's getting into a nice cream. Make sure that all the avocado inside is all mashed up so that you can get a nice creamy paste. So once that is done, once you've got your nice creamy avocado, that's going to go into the saucepan. Okay, that will go in here. That will go into the saucepan. So I'm going to get my avocado over here, and I'm gonna pour it into my saucepan, of which I'm going to use it to cook the avocado. So I'm scooping out all the avocado. So you get everything out like this. So as you can see, I'm using a non-stick pan. I've got all my nice and creamy avocado in. So the next step will be, we are going to fry the avocado over a low heat. We're gonna fry the avocado over a low heat. So now I'm gonna put on So I'm starting to cook the avocado over a low heat, and this should cook until it's golden brown, until the avocado, the creamy avocado, becomes golden brown. So I'll keep on turning, keep on stirring it over a low heat. So my lovelies, as you can see, the avocado has turned golden brown. We don't want it to burn. It should be just golden brown, so it's almost ready. So just a couple of minutes more, and then we are going to turn it off, and we're gonna let it we're gonna let the mixture cool. And once it cools, then we're going to restrain it and extract the oil. Mind you, as I said earlier on, this is my first time and we are doing it together. So let's see if we can get some oil out of the avocado. So I think this is really good, because I don't want to get burned. It should be, you know, a nice color. But so far I'm using a non-stick pan. I can't see any oil there, but so we are going to let this mixture cool. Once it cools, then I will put it inside this container over here. I'll put it inside here, restrain it, and see if we're going to get some oil out of it. So the avocado mixture has cooled off, so I'm going to put it here so that we can restrain it. So pour in the mixture. So I've gotten all my mixture in my restrainer like this. So now what we have to do is, now we have to squeeze the oil out. Guys, as you As you can see, guys, I'm squeezing. I'm using all my strength. I'm using all my strength to squeeze. There's nothing. There's no oil. No oil at all. Mind you, we've used 4 big avocados. There's no guys, and there's no oil, not a drop. So it is my first time to do this. Follow the instructions. We've done it together step by step. Guys, look at this. Look, nothing. There's nothing coming out, not a drop. It's only that my hands are a little bit oily, but apart from that, there is no oil. So guys, it does not work.